Good afternoon. Video message for Duncan. Duncan, hi. Well, thank you for buying another beautiful old lady. So this is a great addition to go with your the Homelite Textron, the 500. So from 1960, so now you have a 1958 monster to go with that, the beautiful 500 Homelite. I'm sure you'd be proficient starting this girl anyway. So the choke is on the side. She's only run yesterday. So on, down, kill switch back, bit of throttle lock, or throttle lock even. And then maybe choke halfway. Duncan, hope you love the saw. It's such a beautiful engine. And I will pack her and get her sent fully insured via UPS. And I hope you have many more deals to come. Bye for now.